To download Dodo WebView, first you have to search download Dodo WebView to your Google, Safari, or Chrome. And then after searching it, go ahead and click on the search options. And then you will be redirected on the pages where you can actually download the Dodo WebView. As for me, as you can see, there is a page where is the IPA store where I can download the Dodo WebView. So click on that. After clicking on that, you will see there the Dodo WebView application. So what you need to do is click on or scroll down until you see there the download for free. So once you have already see the download for free, click on it. After clicking on it, you have to wait for a few seconds until you see there the content ready for download. Once the content is ready for download, click on the open options so that it will automatically lead you to the download options. And now as you can see, the file name download of Dodo WebView is now downloading. Now, if you click the continue options, there will be an instant download. And what you have to do is just go ahead and click on it, and then there is a SMS message where you can instantly get the Dodo WebView. But if you don't want that for safety, what you just need to do is to wait for it to automatically download to your mobile phone or device, and then the zip file will automatically reflect to the file of your device.